Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix lag and increase FPS in Team Fortress 2. Now, a few things you need to consider is the type of graphics card that you have and also the monitor that you have. So you need to make sure that they are compatible with one another. If you have a high-end graphics card, then you can put it all the way up in terms of your quality, or we can go ahead and lower this down so that we can also up our FPS. Now what we need to do is to go into our settings right here, and then we're gonna go into video. Now we need to make sure that our resolution is set to native, which is the native resolution of your monitor that you are using to display your game, and you need to make sure that this is set to full screen as well. Now the aspect ratio should be set to widescreen 16:9 ratio. Now we're gonna go into our advanced right here, and a few things that we need to make sure is, again, I am using quite a high graphics card, but if you are getting low FPS, we can go ahead and change a few things right here. Say for example, we can go ahead and lower the model detail to medium, set texture detail to high as usual, and then we can go ahead and change the shader detail to high. Our water detail should be set to simple. Our shadow detail should be set to low. Color correction is set as enabled. We're gonna have anti-aliasing mode set as none. Our filtering mode can be set to bilinear, and for waiting for vertical sync should be disabled. We can also go ahead and disable our motion blur, and for the field of view we can put it all the way up to 90. For multi-core rendering, it should be set to enabled, and let us go ahead and turn off the high dynamic range. Make sure that this is ticked off as well, and this will be the settings which will give you high FPS and also fixing your lag. Go ahead and click on OK and then click apply, and there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.